Buenos días, mi profesor. And ¿cómo estás?
Estoy bien.
Estoy bien, estoy mal.
Así que hermanos y hermanas, muchísimas gracias por estar con nosotros con esta primera lección. Le estaremos dando muchas más. Así que síguenos, suscríbete y síguenos para todas las lecciones que vienen a siguiente. Que Dios esté con ustedes y adiós.
You'll come to you with Burnys right here on YouTube. My name is Burnys. You can call me Nice, you can call me Ira, you can call me Abubuya. Some few days ago, I informed you guys that we're going to start a Spanish lesson on this channel. And today, I'm glad to inform you that our tutor is here. And so I'd like her to welcome our tutor, Chico SB.
Okay, thank you very much, Venice. And I'm going to be your Spanish tutor from now till we are through with the Spanish course. In other words, I assure you that in less than 3 months, some of you start speaking Spanish. Spanish is a very interesting language. Let me reveal a few facts about Spanish for you. Number one, it is currently the most romantic language in the world. So imagine speaking the most romantic language. And along the line, we are going to understand why it's considered the most romantic language in the world. And secondly, in terms of population, Chinese is actually the first language.
Oh, okay.
Followed by English in terms of population, as in how many people speak the language. Then third is Spanish. But in terms of widespread, English is first, followed by Spanish. So it means that if you know Spanish, you haven't lost anything. It's a very, very great advantage that you have over others, okay? Alright, so, but just like the English, the Spanish too has some varieties. But the variety we are going to be learning is the Argentina variety. So that means that the very Spanish you are going to learn is spoken by the people in Argentina, the people in Cuba, and the people in Mexico as well as other Spanish-speaking countries, including in Africa. We have only one African country that speaks Spanish, and that is Equatorial Guinea. They also speak the same variety, okay? Now, the only country that has a different variety is Spain. And with time, I'll explain how different their own is. But the differences are quite subtle, not very marked, so no problem with that. Now, one interesting thing I need to tell you is that, you see, if you pick English, Spanish, and French, in terms of difficulty with respect to pronunciation, Spanish has the most difficult, French has the most difficult pronunciation, followed by English, then Spanish.
Followed by English?
Of course. You'll be surprised because Spanish has the easiest pronunciation that you can think of.
But the
you realize it's very easy. The reason is that words are mentioned exactly the way they are written.
Oh, okay.
And so even if I write a word you don't know, all you need to do is produce every sound of the word. Let me take a word like Chico, which is my name. How do you mention it? Chico. So you just produce each syllable. Chico. If I write a word like, let's say, L-U-Z, how do you mention it? Lose. I didn't tell you why you were able to lose. You don't say, because in English you'll be confused. Is the U supposed to be la, a, or u? But we don't have that thing in Spanish.